Academy, School of Arts and Science. I'm Veerabhadraya Demaya from retired scientist from Geological Survey of India, recollecting the great memories of my Florida and my esteemed department, Geological Survey of India. I come across one of the great person of the great student of a great master. ಯಾವುದಾದರೊಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರಾಗಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆ ಧ್ಯೇಯವನ್ನೇ ಆಲೋಚಿಸಿ, ಅದರ ಕನಸನ್ನೇ ಕಾಣಿ, ಆ ಧ್ಯೇಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಳುಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಿದುಳು, ಮಾಂಸಖಂಡಗಳು, ನರನಾಡಿಗಳು, ಶರೀರದ ಅಂಗ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಂಗಗಳು ಆ ಧ್ಯೇಯವೊಂದರಿಂದಲೇ ತುಂಬಿಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿ. ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಬದಿಗೊತ್ತಿ ಇದೇ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ದಾರಿ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು. ಬುದ್ಧಂ ಶರಣಂ ಗಚ್ಚಾಮಿ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ B.R. ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರದ್ದು ನೆನಪು, ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ತೇಜಲೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ನೆನಪು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ತುಣುಕು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವೆಂದರೆ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುರುಕಿದ ಅರಗದೆ ಕೊಳೆತು ನಾರುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯ ಮೊತ್ತವಲ್ಲ, ಬದುಕನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವ, ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವ, ಶೀಲ ಸೌರಭವನ್ನು ಸೂಪಿಸುವ, ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ರಕ್ತಗತ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಿರಬೇಕು. ಭಾವನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅರಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವನ್ನು ಜೀವನ ಸೌಧವನ್ನಾಗಿಸಿ ಚಾರಿತ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡರೆ ಆಗ ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಗ್ರಂಥಾಲಯವನ್ನೇ ಕಂಠಪಾಠ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪಡೆದಂತೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು. ಇದು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ವಾಣಿ. Okay, the great memory of my esteemed personalities, the dignitaries, when I was speaking something in the some small function maybe in the chemical laboratory. This is Dr. Rajan Singh and our great PC Mandal Saab and our director Saab and my colleagues. I am doing something. I am saluting on behalf of my chemical laboratory, Geological Survey of India. This is another gathering of the whole chemical division of the Geological Survey of India, my dear friends. This is with Dr. Rajan Singh. I am giving some seminar talks or something. This is another photo, old photos. These are all old photos. So Dr. Rajan Singh, my big brother, and my dear director, Mr. Ingilagiri Saab, and my other colleagues, Vijayarajulu. ఆంధ్ర ప్రజ ఎక్కడో ఉన్నాడు. చూడాలందరూ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేసేది. కరోనా వచ్చి విజయరాజు కరోనా వచ్చి చాలా ఇబ్బంది అయిందప్ప స్వామి. నాకు పాత పాటలు. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది గ్యాదరింగ్ VAT69. ఏమి అబద్ధం, మీరందరూ VAT69 తీసుకొని బాగా మంచి థింగ్. నేను వచ్చే టైం వరకు ఉండదు. అది 69 లేదు, 96 లేదు. ఈజ్ మిస్టర్ శ్రీనివాసయ్య, మై అనదర్ beloved brother, and Mr. HSM Prakash. All are boozing nicely with great feelings, and my one more guru, our great Tribhasha poet, great Kempegowda ji, and my big brother Dr. Rajan Singh. I am the person, Mr. Veerabhadraya Demaya, in this photo. It was a good old memories, great memories in the Rajan Singh's quarters. This is Mr. Kannadasan, and I am on the old photos, and again my big brother Dr. Rajan Singh from Lucknow. This is another photos from Tampa, Florida. Okay, this is Jai Bhim. Mother Teresa photo. This is not all of us can do great things, but we can do small things with great love, the great mother. Okay, I'm concluding my speech with Mother Teresa. Thank you. See you again in the